Aurora, the link between magnetism and electricity. An aurora is a natural light display in the Earth's sky, predominantly seen in the high latitude regions. It is as a result of disturbances in the magnetosphere caused by solar winds. How are these lights formed? Niels Bohr proposed in his quantum theory that electrons can't move in just any orbit, but can only exist in a permissible orbit, thus they do not radiate energy. Bohr argued correctly that the quantum leap arises from the property of electrons and atoms, that their energy comes in discrete chunks that cannot be subdivided. This is why there are only specific orbits that an electron can occupy. Bohr stated that when an atom is heated, its electrons become agitated and leap from one fixed orbit to another. Each downward leap emits energy in the form of light in very specific wavelengths. This is why atoms produce colors, thus the phrase quantum leap. So, when charged helium particles from the sun strike atoms in the Earth's atmosphere, they cause electrons in these atoms to move to a higher energy state. When these electrons drop back to a lower energy state, they radiate energy in the form of a photon, which is light. This creates an aurora. It can be seen above the magnetic poles of the northern and southern hemisphere. It can be known as Aurora borealis in the north or Aurora australis in the south. An aurora can occur every 2 hours in some countries like Iceland and Alaska, lasting for about 30 minutes. The aurora that occurs on Jupiter is 10 times brighter than the one that occurs on Earth. However, these electrically charged particles cause disturbances in the atmosphere, and this affects radio waves that communicate information around the world. Aurora is a visible evidence that a magnetic storm is going on and magnetic field lines are moving around. The disadvantage is that magnetic storm cause damage to satellites, and moving magnetic field lines can cause power outages, thus inducing currents in our power lines and blowing up transformers. Did you know that northern lights can make noises that can be heard down on the ground? What researchers haven't figured out yet is how these sounds are created. After some investigations, researchers suspect that there are several mechanisms behind the formation of these auroral sounds. Thanks for watching.